Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me, and this is video 5 of my 5-part quick plant profile video series. Let's get to it. And this is my yarrow plant. The scientific name is Achillea millefolium, and some health benefits is that it's anti-inflammatory, it helps with digestion and the cardiovascular system, it helps with wound healing, and it's good to help treat the cold and flu. It is a perennial that I've owned for 5 years, and it's named after the Greek god Achilles because he used to treat wounds when he was on the battlefield. Thanks again, you guys, for all the support. Let me know how you like this 5-part video process. I'm gonna upload the full video of all 5 of them together here shortly as well. So like, subscribe, and if you guys feel like I need to know anything else, feel free to include it in the comments. Otherwise, you guys stay safe and stay awesome.